Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a post slash thread on a Bluesky social, and it's really easy and simple, guys. So make sure you're logged in first of all. If you're doing this on your PC, what you want to do is come click on a new post at the bottom left. Otherwise, if you are on your phone, you will see this same icon right here in any photo you're viewing. So for me, I'm just going to come here and click on a new post. All right, now here guys, you see. So I can label this, of course. I can say this is the first post on the thread. I can do number 1. Hi guys, I am Pioneer, right? And then what you're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna come here and click on this plus icon. So this is the first part of the thread. Click on the plus icon. This is the second part of the thread. It's connected. Everything's connected. So I can label this. I can number this. If you want, you can do that. If you don't want, you don't have to. So I'm gonna number it so it's easier for people to understand. Come here, you can add a, for example, you say you want to add an emoji. Come here, add an emoji. Okay, this one looks good. Add this emoji. Click the plus icon. So anytime you type, you have a character limit of 300. Look at this one. So if I come and click on this one, I have 296 characters left. And this one I already used up quite a bit, so I have a 277. So I'm going to come here on my third post. You can come here, add a GIF, for example. Let's see, these are from Tenor. Okay, this one looks good, a penguin sleeping. We'll put this GIF as our third post. And then you can do the fourth post, for example. And you can also do an alt text, so you can describe images for blind viewers. Come here, click on add alt text. You can save this as well if you want. And then, of course, you can put videos, images, whatever you want, guys. It's really easy and simple. And once you're done, just come here and click on post all. So let me leave this one empty, the fourth one. Let me get rid of this one so I can post it. Then I'm gonna post all of these to my profile. And then I will show you it being posted. But otherwise, guys, it's really easy and simple. For example, look at this. This is our thread. The first part, second part, the third one, I didn't even label it. And it also has an alt text. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.